Hi guys, this is my submission for CS50web project 4 network. The goal of this project is to use Python, JavaScript, HTML, and CSS to complete an implementation of a social network with the following requirements. A signed-in user should be able to make posts, text-based posts, and I've implemented this by having the new post section at the top of the page as opposed to having it on its own separate routes. So if I were to type in some text and hit post, you would see that the post is updated. The next the next requirement is the all posts link in the navigation bar should be able to show all the posts by all the users on the site. So you see that there's some posts from Ron, some from Sammy admin, some from Sammy, and then it's also paginated. And each post should have the post itself, the date, and the number of likes that that post has. The next section is the profile page. Clicking on a link on a post should take the user to that user's profile page. So if I click on this, I'll be taken to Sammy's profile page where all the posts there are only by that user that was selected, and it also shows the number of followers as well as the people that that account is following. If It also gives the signed in user the ability to follow or unfollow, and you see as I click, it updates the number of followers that that account has. But if you're currently on your profile page, you don't have the ability to follow yourself. Next section is the following, where if you click on the following link, it shows you all the posts by people that you're currently following. So right now, Ron is following Sammy and Sammy admin. If I were to go to Sammy's section and unfollow Sammy and go back to the following link, then now it's only showing the Sammy admin post because that's the only account that's being followed. The next section is pagination. The limit we were given was to have 10 posts per page. So for example, on this page with only 2 posts, you'd only have 1 page, and then both your next and previous buttons are disabled. You can't click on them to navigate anywhere. And then in the all posts section, there are more than 20 posts, so it's separated into 3 different pages that you can navigate between all the pages as well. The next section is to be able to edit posts using JavaScript, and that's without reloading the page. So if I click on edit and add some exclamation points here and click on save, you see that the page is not reloaded. It's just updated using JavaScript, but it's also updated on the database using asynchronous JavaScript. So it's been updated, and if I go and come back, it's still pulling like the updated text. Lastly, the signed in user should be able to like and unlike posts. Currently, this post by Ron has 1 like by Ron because the heart is currently red, and if I unclick it, it will turn white, and then the number is also updated. So I'm gonna click on this, and then if I were to sign in as Harry and go back to that same post, you would see that it has 1 like, but it's not by Harry. So if Harry were to click on it, the post would change. The like emoji would change to red, and then the count would also be updated. And this is done using JavaScript, so the page isn't reloaded as well. I guess if I go to another page and come back and click on it, that's not gonna change up there. So yeah, this was my project, and this is CS50. Thank you.